They're leaving without me. So I can still see their lights, and I heard Snail's Lane mentioned. And I will catch them up if I can get these blooming gloves on. Oh, I've started the ride. I've almost remembered everything this morning.
Oh, good morning. Wheelers at large. We're out again. Hopefully this will be a ride in between showers. I think I'm a little bit outnumbered. There's no ladies on this Gravel Guerrilla ride. That's unusual. There's normally at least one. Let's hope they don't feel too energetic. I think this is called Snail's Lane. I know it's Snail's Lane, but nobody's being snail-paced. Come on, Julie.
The dawn chorus of the gravel bike with disc brakes. Canopy shot backed by blue sky. Yeah, it's supposed to be raining all day. There's still time. We're just above Linford Bottom. A bit strange, isn't it? Or is that normal? Stick, branch, log, call it what you want.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks very much. There we go. Just as I planned it. For the first time in what feels a long time, we drove to the ride today. Feels a bit odd actually. I kind of wish we could have gone earlier, but it was pretty wet about an hour ago when we would have had to have left. And looking at the blue sky above, I think we made the right decision. At least we're starting dry for a change. I think like 95% of the world, after Christmas, Julie's gone on a diet, and yeah, she's hanging behind a bit. I'm just worried she's not eating enough. She's still going, so that's a good sign.
From the front to the back. I got shoe covers for Christmas, so I got lots of layers on my feet. Oh, I got new socks as well. So nice thick socks, my North Wave boots, my shoe covers, my gaiters. Wow, that's lots of layers on your feet, isn't it? Can I use that as an excuse why I'm not keeping up? I got too many layers on the feet.
So is the big puddle fixed? I doubt it. It's been here for as long as I can remember. Nope. It's coming back. Yeah. Cheers.
Not sure if we're all together, but I think we are. Time for a little downhill. So I might have to put the camera away here. We're in the deer sanctuary. Can't see any deer yet, but they're here somewhere. They just do hiding well. and dry. My legs aren't, nor my bum.
Not sure if this is rain or if it's just coming off the trees. It's looking pretty grey up there just now.
I've just reached for the Parma Violets. Had about 4. Keep my energy up. An apple and half a yoghurt. Maybe not going to sustain me for the whole ride.
I'm answering the question today. Can you stay fit on one ride a week? The answer is no. We need to get back to 1 long ride and 1 short snappy midweek ride at the least. This is hard. Yay, the sun's come out. Boo, look what's coming our way.
Comes to something on a fast descent when you're having to pedal because the wind's stopping you. Woo-wee. It is windy. Gonna go along the Burbush Trail.
So this is the Burbush Trail, and it's essentially an extension of the railway that is the Castleman Trail. Pull up to Ringwood and across to Brockenhurst. Yeah, and a fair chunk of it is rideable trail like this. Right.
That's just water as far as the eye can see. Just keep going, Julie. Just keep going.
Right. That's clean the shoes, the bottom bracket, the wheel bearings, pedals. I don't think there's any grease left in anything now. In truth, of course, grease is quite good at standing up to water. It's all the chemicals and the cleaners we put on our bikes it can't stand up to, because of course they are built to get rid of oil, grease and dirt, which is why I more than often just wipe the bikes down, give them a polish every now and then, but yeah, stay away from the detergents generally.
Well, I'm glad of all my layers on my feet right now, that's for sure.
Yeah, pretty wet through here. Wow. But of course the great thing about the New Forest, even when it's wet and mucky, pretty much 99% of it is still rideable, because you can trust what's underneath. It's well maintained, you know. Whoa! Yeah, yeah. Snap the chain. Snap the chain. Whoa!
Got a link.
Oh no, it's still there, that's alright.
Chain's still there, but
Yeah, yeah. And
the plate.
yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too good, but there's the plate there.
There we go. That's interesting.
What happened?
Snap chain. Yeah, got out the seat to go up the horizon.
Do it in the car park.
And pop.
What's going on, Mike? Did it snap? Was it the quick link that went? It was.
Yeah.
So does that mean you can do another quick link, or do you have to shorten
no,
it?
fine. That's fine. I've got another one. It actually snapped the pin and it was still in the chain. That in? That's in. Yeah, that's in.
Well, Mike's quick link just broke. The pin snapped, but luckily he's got another one. So he's replaced it. I don't think you said that loud enough.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, lovely weather for ducks.
Oh, it's all wet fun now for the
I'm guessing we're going Castle Hill. We are. Can't see a thing. Glasses are off.
Sunshine over there.
I'm not sure what you can see, but one thing I do know is that the lens on the GoPro seems to have misted up.
Right through the middle. I'm already wet, it doesn't matter. Oh wow! Oh wow!
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's flooded. That is properly flooded there.
Right, up we go. There we go. I'm not going to snap the chain twice, surely.
Thanks for waiting for me.
That's okay.
Cheers. I didn't like the look of that jump up. Yeehaw! Sorry about that. So, if you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click the like button. Join us for the next one.
Open. Well, let's call that a win.
Yeah.